Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jane. It's very hot outside and today I want to share with you the recipe for my favorite cooling non-alcoholic cocktail. This cocktail is called a MOJITO. I tried many recipes for its preparation and start in the simplest and most delicious was. Let me show you how to make it. For today's cocktail I will be using these ingredients: lime, mint, ice, sugar, and Sprite. I will also need a glass to mix everything in.
Slice the lime into lime wedges and put them in the glass. Tear off the mint leaves and pour them into the glass with the sliced lime. Pour the sugar into a glass and rub everything thoroughly with a regular spoon or fork. We need to get as much juice from the lime as possible, so our cocktail will be much tastier and more flavorful. Grind the lime and mint into a smooth paste. Pour the ice into the glass. You can use whole ice cubes or crushed and crushed ice chips, as you prefer. pour the Sprite into a glass. The Sprite can be chilled before preparing the mojito. Mix everything thoroughly. Mojito with Sprite is ready. Decorate our cocktail with a straw and try a real summer drink. Bon appetit!
That's all. My mojito making video has come to an end. Thank you for watching it to the end. I am very glad that I was able to show you my tried and tested mojito recipe. I hope that mojito can cool you down well this summer. Subscribe to my OnlyFans, you will find more of my updates there, and yeah, beat you forward until the next video. Bye!